Hey, happy Independence Day to all Americans, especially my YouTube family. And how much money you are going to burn out tonight, comment below. And tomorrow I'm going to make a good vlog for you guys, especially for this big day. So stay tuned guys. Right now I am here at Walmart. As you can see, from $3 to $60, there's a lot of variety, lot of fireworks, TNT for your kids. So stay tuned guys. Oh, it's gonna be a lot of fun, and please subscribe my channel for more videos like this.